Our next presentation of session 5 is the StringTokenizer class. So the StringTokenizer class allows for a string to be broken up into tokens. It's a simple way to do it based on a character that's passed in. So it can be different numbers or different identifiers. So we see here that it is overloaded and there are 3 constructors. So a string tokenizer with a string passed in creates a tokenizer with a specific string. String tokenizer with a string and a delimiter creates a string tokenizer with a specified string and the delimiter. And a string tokenizer with the string, the delimiter, and the Boolean return value creates a string tokenizer with a specific string, delimiter, and return value. If the return value is true, the delimiter characters are considered to be tokens. If false, the delimiter characters serve to separate the tokens. So string tokenizer has these methods. So has more tokens returns a Boolean and checks to see if there are more tokens available. Next token is returns the next token from the string tokenizer object, and obviously this returns a string. Next token with a delimiter also returns a string, returns the next token based on the delimiter. Has more elements returns a Boolean. It's the same as has more tokens method. Next element returns an object, same as next token, but it returns, the return type is object. And count tokens returns an integer and returns the number of tokens. So this is the type of class where it's best to really see an example. This is a really good example of the string tokenizer class. So you can see here we're importing the string tokenizer libraries and we're creating a class simple with main method, and we are instantiating st as a string tokenizer and passing in the string my name is Khan, comma delimiter. So we can see here the delimiter is a space. And we also see on st, the st object, which is a string tokenizer, it has the method has more tokens. So we're going to test here to see if there are more tokens, and if there are more, we are going to output them. If it doesn't have any more, we're just going to exit the while loop and exit this application. So we could see here we have the string, my name is Khan, and the delimiter is a space, and we can see what happens here, the output. So based on the space, we get my, this is one token, name is another token, is another token, and Khan is the next token, and it's based on the space here. And that every time we called next token on st and it returned true, it went up and got the next token. So that's how we were able to iterate through the string tokenizer object. So please stay tuned for our next presentation, again on Java intermediate string topics.